Hi Path, good morning.
Good morning, Daniel. What's up?
Where are we going now?
To eat something?
भूख लगा है, चल
I
जल्दी.
got something for you. by the way.
अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. I got a gift before I head out for food. Nice. चल.
Daniel, you are shooting me. I am shooting you. What is this?
I've just started shooting.
What is this behavior, Daniel?
Let's go. Welcome to the lift.
अरे हाँ ये लिफ्ट आई है सर्विस लिफ्ट.
Can't do
Support
anything about it यार.
Oh.
फील आ गई सर्विस लिफ्ट की. Oh, we've got the Honda City today. Nice.
I'll show you one cool party trick in this.
हाँ.
ये जो temperature control है ना, in this if you increase the temperature, this knob becomes red in color. The
Oh,
border, and if you reduce the temperature, वो blue हो जाता है.
nice.
चले.
बट ये गाड़ी महंगी है ना थोड़ी.
This is the topmost diesel ZX
हाँ.
manual.
हाँ.
This is around 18 on road Mumbai.
18 lakhs for a sedan. ये धूप है.
So where are we going to eat?
I thought you were taking me to it.
क्या खाना है? It's 10:54 a.m. Going
We are
out
super
and-
duper hungry right now, and just because this car is going,
Yeah, and this car, man, it's been 3 months already. Time flies.
and so you got a chance to drive it for 2 weeks.
No, 3 weeks.
That's it. मेरे को अभी खाली बैठने मिला है. I got a chance to drive the city only once, and that was at the start of the lockdown. जब we got a chance to review this.
So that was last year in June or
Exactly.
July.
Exactly. It's been almost a year now. Over a year, I guess.
Look at that modified Kiger with alloy wheels.
Nice.
So I had 2 Honda Cities for the last 3 weeks. My own Honda City, which is a petrol manual, 4th generation, and this, which is a diesel variant. So yeah, I drove both the cars back to back also on a lot of occasions. जब
कौन सा माइलेज अच्छा दिया?
माइलेज ऑब्वियसली दिस वन ही मेरी गाड़ी का डबल दिया ये गाड़ी ने माइलेज. तो स्टार्टिंग में व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन आई गॉट दिस कार होम, I parked both the cars next to each other, and at night I drove both the cars back to back on the exact same route in the exact same driving manner, because I wanted to do a back to back comparison and see what are the exact differences, like which one feels better in what aspect, which one feels better in some other aspect.
Correct.
So that is what I wanted to see. So first I took my own car for a drive around 7 kilometers. ऐसे राउंड मार के आया मैं. On the same route I drove this one also. अब of course there's a lot of difference in performance. वो petrol है, this is diesel, that is more silent. This one is a bit noisy. And in terms of performance, मतलब the petrol engine has a better low end. This one also has a good low end. Like there's no turbo lag on this. Mid range भी अच्छा है, लेकिन obviously it redlines near 4000 RPM, and on that one the redline is 7000 RPM.
So VTEC kicked in. Yo.
So of course you get the same. You get a newer VTEC engine on the new Honda City also. But we have the diesel car right now, and this is all about good drivability and excellent fuel economy.
बस हो गया, अभी खाने चलते हैं. Now super hungry. Give it the beans, yo. I am checking the audio of the Hero 7 GoPro. बाजू से है ना वो वाला Honda City आया, and क्या बोला तू?
Wow.
वो नाइस करता है.
Same colors actually, similar colors. That is petrol VX.
कैसा ना, everybody calls me the Honda fanboy. This guy is the Honda City fanboy.
Honda 4-wheeler fanboy, Honda 2-wheeler fanboy.
ठीक है, चलेगा. Good to go. तो अपने आगे there is one old Verna, similar gen Verna, है ना?
हाँ, both are the same only.
So yeah, but both have a different color to it. What do you find more comfortable? The Verna is more comfortable, or the City? Not talking about the suspension, the seating.
I think this one has the best seats in its segment, the Honda City.
Okay.
Even if you talk about the 4th generation जो मेरी वाली है, उसकी भी seat मस्त एकदम comfortable.
And that 4th generation is still on sale.
Yeah, 4th generation petrol is on sale, not diesel.
काय को ऐसा करते हो? बेचो ना, डीजल बेचो ना, मैं लेगा. I am looking for a diesel car. If so, Amaze diesel, I am still looking to it because that is a car that my dad will love to drive.
See, I'll tell you, they don't have the diesel on the 4th generation right now, but this one is way better. Like 4th generation feels quite raw now, and the suspension is good. It is a bit on the stiffer side. The suspension on this is softer and more comfortable, and this car has more safety features also, and the quality of the materials on the inside is also better than the 4th generation.
Take it.
So
I know. You're talking about this. It's a full finish.
all those things are good on this car. So in terms of comfort, I'd say this is better than the one which I have, definitely.
Okay.
Even though the seats are quite good on both the cars, the front seats are really nice and supportive. They are wide enough, and even the rear seat experience is great
We
on
have
both
to
the cars.
mention one more thing. हम लोग बस खाने जा रहे हैं. Oh, nice.
Active lane watch. So this is basically a mirror, camera which is mounted on the mirror, left mirror,
The नीचे.
and yeah, it helps to indicate some blind spots which you would probably miss.
And this is nice actually. This is a nifty feature. मेरे को पसंद आता है.
This is useful in traffic जहाँ पे मतलब ऐसे कहीं से भी आते हैं ना bikers.
हाँ.
So what happened the other day? It was raining
अभी
after.
तो ऐसे भी आते बाइकर्स.
अरे बहुत होते हैं ऐसे. I'm not talking about you,
हाँ,
but
ठीक है.
there are some really bad bikers also in Mumbai, bad drivers also. Not denying. So day before yesterday, after the Tata Punch shoot, you know how much it was raining, right?
हाँ.
So उसकी वजह से outward visibility was very very poor. I couldn't see a thing from the mirrors, and I had to take a turn. तो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था पीछे से कोई आ रहा है या नहीं, क्योंकि इतनी बारिश है. The mirrors were like completely wet. तो इसमें लेन वॉच में पीछे से एक बाइक आ रहा था, उसकी हेडलाइट दिख गई, and that is what helped me out.
छोटा छोटा चीज.
हाँ, but this feature can be switched off also. Like कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि it is too distracting. So if you find it distracting, you can switch it off.
So if you are using it for the first few times, so it will be distracting. If you get used to it, and if you go into a different car, then it is like a feature missing हो गया है. Nice. 1, 2, 3.
तो तीनों CNG MS46, MS46, MS46. That one has some extra chrome, and these two look like bone stock.
देख ये white color,
Silver.
ये silver with chrome.
उसके आगे एक और है पुरानी वाली वैगनर.
वो भी CNG है.
That is Uber.
यार क्या हो रहा है?
Wagoner squad goals.
All the features are pretty nice. अभी इन्होंने ये स्क्वाड का फोटो लेके फोन यहाँ पे रख दिया है. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई आस्क फॉर, वायरलेस चार्जिंग नहीं है.
No, there's no wireless charging on this.
Why?
I don't know why.
You are the Honda fanboy,
Yeah,
car
so
fanboy.
I'm the fan of the car, not of the wireless
But there are
charger.
two things. So no wireless charging and
There's no diesel automatic also.
Diesel
They have
automatic.
diesel automatic on the Amaze, but वो थोड़ी कम power और torque produce करता है. So I don't know why they are not giving it on the city.
price.
Price would go up definitely.
It's already 18 lakhs.
हाँ, on road is 18, तो उसमें और 19.5 जाती.
Too much. अरे भूख लगा यार, ट्रैफिक भी हो गया. Super hungry. While coming back, we'll have to come through that traffic.
Oh, that is why you are going to drive now while coming back.
Scam कर दिया तूने.
You said na you haven't driven the city yet, so you can drive it.
कैसा हरामी है. But look at this fucking traffic.
No, I think it will be clear by the time we come back now.
Smoked out tail lights. दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा पता नहीं.
Smoked out taillights and a complete, badge delete. There's no logo. Honda का logo है. There's no other badge, no emblem, nothing like that. Looks neat. I should do something like that on my car.
कितना Honda fanboy, कितना मतलब तर एकदम.
नहीं वैसा नहीं. I know the pluses and the negatives of the car. So वैसा कुछ है नहीं.
But
I was thinking कि
good job.
in fact, I was thinking I'll do a chrome delete on my car also and put those red Mugen logos. बस उतना ही settle. And maybe a blacked out roof.
करो आप करो, बहुत पैसा आपके पास. मेरे पास नहीं, मेरे पास गाड़ी इतनी. Because of the traffic jam,
We came on the expressway, so we had to go to Panvel. There's a place called Datta Snacks. वहाँ पे you get some really nice vada pavs and bhaji pavs and all those. But wo exit ke there was so much traffic, it would have taken us at least 45 minutes to cross that. So we just came straight on the expressway, took a U-turn, and now we are going back to some other place.
ये इधर भी U-turn था पीछे रास्ते के बीच में
था ना, नहीं, that is not safe.
That is not safe. Don't do that.
We took an exit at Shedung and took a U-turn and then got back on the expressway.
Yeah. So the route is fairly empty, and you've put to 94 kilometers per hour का
Cruise control because the limit is 100, so we had 94.
95 अच्छा good. It's a good drive up till now, but ये जो है ना हल्का सा bouncy होता है. So it's got a little soft. Yes. But bit bouncy. Onto the bad roads. Extremely bad roads. Because our destination is right there. So people who are in Mumbai or Pune or who travel Mumbai, Pune or Panvel around there, the old Datta is there, new one is here. And
Yeah, good snacks they have.
Hurry.
Endeavour Black Edition.
Nice.
Endeavour Sport, not black, yes.
Back kar do. And we are here. Nice. So, इधर से एंट्री नहीं है.
No entry.
So khichdi and vada pav is here. Your bhaji will take time.
No worries, I'll start with this. Give me the camera. How's it? How are the first impressions? There's no embargo on this, you can tell your review.
It's a little bland, but there's other pieces of mirchi around here, so
Okay, so 2 pros and 2 cons are done. Yeah.
cut. This is the best thing, the chutney.
Delicious chutney.
Now looks like a sumptuous meal. Let's go.
Nice.
First impressions?
Hot and spicy.
Nice. Are we drinking blood?
Jal lijiye.
Jal लीजिए. This is Kokam Sarbat, very famous as a cooling drink in Maharashtrians. How is it? खत्म किया.
Nice.
Cheers guys.
So Dhanesh is carrying this parcel for our teammates in office,
Yes.
and because this car is a school keyless go function, so you just put your hand here and the car has unlocked. So no need to use the key anywhere, just keep it in your pocket and you are good
I
to
am
go.
coming this side.
You have to drive the car ना, अभी ट्रैफिक होगा.
चाबी तो फिर.
नहीं चाबी चलेगा मेरे पॉकेट में, वो चल जाएगी. क्या?
मैं नीचे गिर गया almost.
तू गिर गया नीचे. अच्छा.
Too low. Keep the bottle there. मेरा पानी. And ये parcel for work. मैं छोटा है. It's gotten quite hot.
It's very hot. उसको पहले AC करते full. Yeah, this max cool feature.
Oh, वाह.
It makes the car go ठंडा cool.
100 पे है and it's giving little above 15.
Yeah, it is very efficient, this engine. It comes in the Amaze also and the WRV also. It used to come in the Mobilio, in the BRV, in the Jazz. It's a good engine for sure. So, Dhane, liking the car?
Actually, impressed.
Impressed?
Yes.
What do you like the most?
This feature, this
Lane watch.
lane watch. दिखता है, सीधा दिखता है if anybody is coming, if anybody is there.
हाँ, इट्स अ यूजफुल फीचर. उसमें खाली वो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा देखना पड़ता है, जज करना पड़ता है डिस्टेंस कितना है इन रियलिटी एंड इन द मिरर. वंस यू गेट द जजमेंट फिर वो बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है.
And being a Gujarati,
हाँ.
6 gear baba, mileage I'm getting more than 15, which is
15 वो भी in this type of driving. I mean, for a long drive on the expressway, maybe for a 100-200 kilometer drive, the car would give even more.
20
maybe
देगा.
20-22 easily. That is achievable. That's a good figure to have in these times. So we got the car 3 months back, and the car has done around 3,000 kilometers, a bit more than 3,000 kilometers, out of which I have covered around 1,200 kilometers. So yes, 3,000 kilometers in 3 months in the diesel Honda City. And the experience has been fairly good. No major issues with the car, no minor issues also actually. And yes, a diesel automatic would have been useful in Mumbai's traffic, but apart from that, I'm quite liking this car. Good comfort, good quality materials, at least better than the 4th generation City. A good, decent audio system. The touchscreen could have been slightly better. I mean, this one feels like it belongs to the 4th generation City and not the 5th generation one. But yeah, the screen size is bigger. Still a slightly more user-friendly screen would have been better, but apart from that, I think now I know the reason why the City is so popular. It has become an almost aspirational car in Indian families. किसी को भी पूछो बोलेगा कि एक बार Honda City खरीदनी है. So that is the thing with this car.
If anybody says their dream car is a Honda City, and it's almost 1:30. We are back to our bay.
Back to office, back to finishing some work, and then go home. It's Friday.
Yes, it was a good lunch.
Yeah.
Thanks. बाकी सबका खाना भी है जो ठंडा हो गया है. But
Because we
that's
went to shoot the car and all, but ठीक है, खाएंगे वो लोग.
yes. So it's time to bid adieu to the Honda City.
Yes, the car will be going in a day or two, and then back to driving other cars.
Is there an emotional connect to this car?
Can't
Somewhat
really
of-
say an emotional connect as such. I mean, अभी जो भी गाड़ी रहती है लॉन्ग टर्म यू ड्राइव those cars for 3 months 6 months, वो थोड़ा कनेक्शन तो हो जाता है with every car you drive, no matter
Yes.
what car it is. It can be a cheap car, it can be an expensive car also.
Yes.
So वो थोड़ा कनेक्शन तो सब गाड़ी के साथ हो ही जाता है.
Yes.
Because
Apart from that, we're gonna miss the city, the mileage.
yeah, the fuel efficiency will be missed the most. And from Monday onwards, I'll be driving my own City again, using it for commutes. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to that also. Every car is fun to drive for me.
Chalo then, it's time to end. The Honda guy says bye. This Honda guy also says bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys in the next video soon. Goodbye.